Similarly, we can calculate the average number of employees in these 5 years by using the formula is equal to average and selecting all the cells required. So for average number of employees, it cells AV2, BF2, BP2, BZ2, and CJ2, which have the number of employees. So this is CJ2, row 2 for the number of employees for AMR Corp / DE in year 4. Now you can see that this is a dot, which brings us to our next question. Why didn't we use the formula is equal to sum, select those 5 cells, and divide by 5? You can see if we use this formula, it includes this cell as well, Y4, and divides by 5, and we get a very different number, is equal to 88,000 employees instead of 110,000 employees. Why the difference between is equal to average and is equal to sum divided by 5? The reason being that some of these have missing data. So as you can see, AMR Corporation has missing data for Y4. So does AMP Incorporated. So you can see that this also reduces from 46 to 2 if you use the sum divided by 5. Arvin Industries and Asarco Incorporated also have missing data. So for these, when we use the average formula, it's 14 and 10. But if you use the sum divided by 5, it becomes 11 and 6. So similarly for Barnett Banks, this also has missing data. So here, if you use the average formula, we get the correct number, which is 19.5. But if you use the sum divided by 5, thanks to all the missing data, it brings the number down to 3.9. This is why we should not use the sum divided by 5 and instead use average.